Midnight. Look, food. Come on.
Wait.
Oh, Midnight. Look at this top burrito. Yummy. You want it? Here. No. You gotta go in here. Go in here and get it. Here. Come on. Midnight.
So cute.
In there. Okay.
Be careful.
No. Go underneath. Good boy.
Okay.
Come on.
He's so cute.
Come on. Are you recording it?
Yeah, it is recording.
All right. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Oh, good boy. Hey, boy. Hey. Come here. Who's a good boy?
Looks like Jeremy says that his parents are not gonna be home on Monday too.
That's great. Hey, good boy.
Yoy.
You're a good boy.
Oh my doggy.
You're a good boy. Hey, good boy. You're so cute.
Midnight, come here.
Hey, baby.
Midnight, come on. Midnight.
It's not gonna do it.
I'll just.
Hey. Look, now he does it.
Come on.
What do you want him to do?
I don't know.
Jump on the table?
Come on. Come on.
No. Hey.
Wait. Oh, he's looking at it.
I know. Is he gonna jump on the table?
Mm-hmm. He will. Yes, he will. Come on, Midnight. Jump.
Come on. Be a good boy.
Jump.
Hey.
Jump. Oh,
Good boy. Good boy.
You cute. Midnight, come
Good
here.
boy.
You sexy doggy. You
such a good boy.
sexy. Mm-hmm.
Who's a good boy?
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Oh, you cute.
You're so cute.
I know he's cute. Look
At
at
least
you.
he
Oh my
actually
god.
listens.
I know he's so fluffy.
Yeah.
It's like a wig.
So is the other two. That's it.
Yeah, but the thing is,
They're gonna be fluffy and they're gonna have curly hair like him, but it's not gonna be wild where you can't see his eyes.
You guys have never seen his eyes. Oh god, I can see his eyes a little bit. Look, I see him. I see you. It's so cute. I'm gonna put this on
Did
Facebook.
you record it?
Yeah, it's recording right. It's still recording.
Oh my goodness.
I don't care. It's good. I don't care. I still like recording this. Mine, he's my dog. I'm gonna put it on Facebook later.
He's a good boy. You're a good boy? Yeah. He's a good boy. I wish you had a dog treat to give him.
Yeah, I don't know if I can feed dog treats.
Yeah, you can give him dog treats. He's a dog.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Mire. Oh, I'm gonna.
Are these Midnight still doing that?
Not anymore.
They stopped?
They stopped since after a couple weeks off December.
Hey, there's nothing on here.
He said, I want that food. Give me. Oh, wait, give me that food. Midnight, there's no food for you. He's just sniffing around like, I know there's food. I'm gonna stop soon.
Okay, stop the recording.
Okay.